Morning everybody. Today we are going to describe nested if statements in Java programming. So first of all, we know what is nested if else statement. When a if else statement contains one or more if else statements within it, then the statement is called nested if else statement. We again repeat this: when a if else statement contains one or more if else statements within it, in that case we can say the statement is called nested if else statements. For an example, we consider same problem which we can solve in multiple if else statements programming. So here consider an example. To select a basketball team, the player is selected only those height is 4 feet or above. Another condition is when average number of baskets per match is 3 or more. There are two conditions. So here we can start import dot java dot util space scanner. Util dot scanner. Here consider util dot scanner. Here is dot scanner semicolon class space basketball hyphen team B. Now first braces open, public space static space void space main parenthesis begin string space args square bracket begin square bracket close parenthesis close. Now second braces begin. Now there are two locations here, one for height and another for average. So value of both we can take height and average are as integer. So we initialize it here int space height equals to 0. Initial value of height is 0. int space avg equals to 0. So initial value of average is 0. Now scanner equals to new scanner parenthesis begin system in dot in parenthesis close semicolon system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin within quotes enter the candidate's height in feet colon quotes close parenthesis close semicolon height equals to scanner space next int function semicolon system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin quotes begin enter the average number of baskets per match colon quotes close parenthesis close semicolon. AVG equals to scanner, next int function, semicolon. If height greater than equals to 4, parenthesis close. This is the first condition. Braces begin if ABG greater than equals to 3. So now you should copy these things from board. Now on the next page, now we just see, consider here, the output is system.out.println parenthesis begin, quotes begin, candidate has been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon. Else, if the given condition is not true, when the given condition is not true, in that case, system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin, quotes begin, candidate has not been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon, braces close. Now this process is finished here. Now else, if the given condition is false, in that case, again process begin if second condition. This is the second if. First if else function was finished, and that is the second if ABG greater than equals to 3. ABG, average number of basket per match. In that case, if the condition is true, in that case, system dot out dot print in parenthesis open, quotes begin, candidate has been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon. Else, system dot out dot print in within parenthesis begin, candidate has not been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon. This braces is for this here the braces begin and here is end, and this is the second braces in the program. This end for the opening of the second braces, and this ending indicates the opening of the first braces, very beginning in our program. So here is our program is finished. In that case, after that, same process will be repeated. I repeat the same process, that is, when we type the whole program, we save it by the name of what we mark after, what we write after class. So program's name is basketball-team-b.java, and then we exit from Notepad and click on command prompt, and so you should note that, then again we will explain. As soon as we finish the typing of our program, so click on file menu, click on save as option, give file name basketball-team-b.java, as file name, and then exit from Notepad. Click on command prompt to compile. On C prompt we type javac space basketball hyphen team B dot java, enter press. Then number of errors. If your program occurs any error, that will be displayed on the screen. If you will face any error, in that case again you will go back to the Notepad and remove the error. Again save the program and again come here and type the following program till your program became error free. When your program became error free, then we will execute the program by typing java space basketball hyphen team B, enter press, and we will get our output. So I think you all will enjoy with me in Java programming. It is too easy. Just try and try. Thank you very much.